Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can write a review in a Tripadvisor website. So you can write your review via Tripadvisor application. But this is the desktop version, the website version from PC. So here we go. You can open tripadvisor.com. If you don't have the account, please sign in. You can find favorite hotels, things to do, fun place to eat, find the best flight and vacation rentals. You can explore place to rent. So this is good app, good site, and also a recommendation for you that you want to travel to your destination. So this is Traveler Choice Award Best of the Best. Among top 1% places, stays, eat, and experience decided by yourself or by the users. And here we go. In order to contribute in this Tripadvisor, you can write a review, share your experience to other user. So here you can click review button at the top of your screen. There is three options: write a review, post photos, and add a place. You can click to write a review, and you can choose what would you like to review. For example, you can try to find a restaurant. Let's try to find a random one to a practice. Here we go. This is the Motel Mexicola in Bali. This is like a bar, cafe, a restaurant. Even there, here you can find the details by click this Motel Mexicola. This is a restaurant in Seminyak, Bali. You can find the details here, the address, the phone, the website, and other reviews. This is rating and reviews 4. It means very good. By 5,000 up to 6,000 reviews. So here you can contribute by write your review here. So here, how would you rate your experience? 5 circle, it means excellent, 4 very good, 3 average, 2 poor, and 1 terrible. So when did you go? You can select like month here, from February 2024 up to January 2025. Who did you go with? You can choose as you wish. Maybe solo. What were you here for? Breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, and so on. And here you can write your review. There is tips here, do and don'ts, like get specific or more details, the better. And don't use profanity, threat, or personal insults. You can learn what makes a great review here. Title your review. Give the gift of your experience here. And click to add photos. This is optional for you. And here, don't forget to tick this box to certify that this review is based on your experience and this is a genuine opinion of this restaurant, and that you have no personal or business relationship with this establishment and have not been offered any incentive or payment originating from the establishment to write this review. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Support this button below. See you in the next video.